Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to All Baking and Cooking. Today we are going to make the very famous chicken Koozi Haleem. So first of all, for making chicken Koozi Haleem, we have to take these 3 lentils and then we will rinse them thoroughly with water and we will soak them overnight. These 3 lentils are namely split chickpeas lentil, then is red lentil, and then is yellow split gram. So the third one is yellow split gram. So I have taken the lentils into a deep pot, wide open pot, and I have added 1 liter of water, approximately 1 liter of water. Then now it's time to add all the spices and turn on the flame on high and put this lentils pot onto the high flame until it starts bubbling out. We will turn the flame low and we will leave it for cooking, like for half an hour. So we will take half cup of roasted wheat porridge, and you can see the texture of this. You can easily find it on a grocery store, and 1/4 cup of rice. So rinse them again and obviously soak them. Okay, so now again take even bigger wide open pot, add 1 cup of oil and put it on the low flame. Once it's warmed up, then add sliced onions that are 150 grams. Once it gets golden brown, then add all the garam masala, which is whole garam masala, like sabut garam masala. Once they give the aroma, the garam masala, then add ginger garlic paste and stir fry it until it again gets golden brown. And meanwhile, keep on checking the lentils which are cooking on the other stove, and if you feel that dried up, so make sure you add the water before lentils start sticking to the bottom. You have to take chicken breast pieces for making Koozi Haleem, because we want the long meat grains in the chicken Koozi Haleem, which gives the exact texture that is found normally in the food state Haleem. So once when the chicken is fried up and it is, you can see the brown color coming onto the pieces, add 1/4 cup of water and lower the flame until now start adding the spices. And just add a bit of water so that the spices doesn't get burned. Mix them up, cook them a little while, and then add 150 grams of peeled off chopped tomatoes. Again give a splash of water and then half cover it and let it cook until tomatoes are a little bit softened up. Then add 1/4 cup of yogurt. And in the meanwhile, keep on checking the lentils. You can check if the lentils are fully cooked or not. The split chickpeas is the lentil which takes more time than other lentils. So if it is like it can be mashed easily, that means our lentils are ready. And add wheat porridge and rice into the lentil soup. Now we can stir them. I have checked into the other pot and our yogurt is all dried up, water is disappeared, and our chicken is fully tendered. So we will fry the masala and chicken botis into the oil, which is now separated for a while. Like I have added another half glass of water after adding the rice and wheat. Now we can stir them. So now after frying the chicken pieces along with the masala. Now I have added 1.5 glass of water, and our chicken gravy or chicken korma is ready. And turn the flame off. Now, like after 20 minutes to half an hour, you can see they are transformed into a thick paste. So turn off the flame. If you have a hand blender, just blend them, or otherwise you can also use a blender jug for that. But before we start blending it, we have to take out all the whole garam masala which we added, like black peppers and all the stuff. So now it's time to blend the gravy. I have taken out the chicken pieces before blending the masala, because we will not blend the chicken pieces with the hand blender. We will do it either by hand or a potato masher. And then add the cooked lentils and rice mixture into it. Stir it and mix it very well, and then we will add a pinch of yellow food color, 1 pinch of baking soda, and we will again stir it, and we will cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. And then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. If you want, at this point, if you want more garam masala, it's totally up to you. And again add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 pinch of tartary. So if you want it more, want it to be more spicy, you can add more chaat masala and garam masala at this time. So take all the fried onions out, and the oil which is left behind, this is our tadka oil, and we are going to add this into our chicken Koozi Haleem. Our chicken Koozi Haleem food street style is all ready.